everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can finish this quest in Heartopia, which is the full of energy quest. It says feed the cat energy fish jerky. And obviously when you try to feed the cat jerky or your cat jerky, you can't. As you can see, it says energy full. What you'll need to do is you'll need to just play with your cat twice until their energy is drained. So I'm just going to skip through that. Okay, and then you're just going to press the cat food bowl again, and then you'll be able to give the energy to your cat, as you can see there, and then press feed. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!